1968 experiment predicted 2026, the behavioral sink and modern society. In the late 1960s, American ethologist John B. Calhoun conducted a series of experiments that would later become known as the Universe 25 studies. In these experiments, mice were placed into an enclosed environment with unlimited food, water, and shelter. Despite the absence of external threats, the population eventually collapsed. Calhoun observed a breakdown in social behavior, including withdrawal, aggression, failed parenting, and a loss of normal social roles. He called this pattern a behavioral sink, where social order disintegrates even though physical needs are met. Some analysts now argue that modern human society shows unsettling similarities to Calhoun's findings. Large populations concentrated in dense urban areas experience rising social isolation, declining birth rates, increasing aggression, and widespread detachment from family and community structures. Material needs may be more available than in past centuries, yet mental health struggles, loneliness, and social fragmentation continue to rise. These trends raise questions about whether abundance without purpose creates its own form of instability. Supporters of this interpretation point to growing numbers of people opting out of traditional relationships, work structures, and long-term planning. In Calhoun's experiment, certain mice became passive and disengaged, while others turned violent or erratic. Today, observers note parallel patterns in human behavior, including withdrawal into digital worlds, reduced social responsibility, and a visible decline in shared cultural norms. These changes are often dismissed as lifestyle choices, but some see them as symptoms of deeper structural stress. The idea that Calhoun's work predicted the modern era is not based on a single date, but on patterns becoming impossible to ignore. By the mid-2020s, population saturation, constant stimulation, and loss of meaning have intensified at a global scale. While humans are not mice, the experiment is increasingly cited as a warning about what happens when social systems collapse internally rather than being destroyed by outside forces. Whether viewed as science, cautionary theory, or social metaphor, the behavioral sink concept challenges the belief that comfort alone leads to stability. It suggests that without purpose, boundaries, and healthy social structures, even the most advanced societies can begin to unravel from within. This was brought to you by The Brutal Truth.